So basically, the purpose of today is to make people aware. Not that we are not aware, but just to make people aware that gender-based violence is a real thing. It's happening and it's killing our communities. 15 women and children are being murdered, raped every day on a daily basis, and 90% of the cases go unsolved. The perpetrators are let out of jail, back into our communities to do what they were already doing, to re-offend. And they don't even get sent to jail the second time. They just go on, keep doing what they were doing. So I just feel as a country, we need to start standing up for each other as a woman. And if you or someone you know is being abused, stand up, speak up. Even if you are afraid, get someone that you know you can trust, someone that will involve the law, so that things don't go unsolved or unsaid or unseen. Because this is a crisis, a real life crisis. 300 women and children being killed on a monthly basis it's horrifying. It's really, really horrifying. And it's not only women, boys as well. And I just feel that we as mothers and women and children of mothers, we need to take a stand somewhere, somehow, because when is it going to stop? If we don't stand up against these perpetrators, and like Mr. Gordon also said, we also need to pray for them as well. Because no one was born a rapist. No one was born a murderer. Somewhere along the line in their life, something happened. Or someone did something to them that made them the way that they are. But something needs to be done about all of this. Because if we don't do something, our species is going to die out, and that's a fact. So yeah, I just feel that we just have to keep standing up for each other and don't go quiet. Don't go quiet. Even if you are too scared to speak up, someone will listen. Just don't keep quiet about it, because it's horrifying, it's heartbreaking, and it's a reality. Thank you. These things and against these perpetrators. Because if we don't start, when will it ever stop? So yeah, that's all I have to say.